let's get a little exhaust clip for you guys.
The Harley Davidson Pan America 1250 is a large capacity ADV bike that weighs in at 560 pounds. Its high revving 1250cc RevMax V-twin makes 150 horsepower and 94 pound-feet of torque.
Oh my God!
The Triumph Speed Twin 1200 you see here is equipped with an exhaust and a tune. This Speed Twin made 96 wheel horsepower and 89 pound-feet of torque on the dyno. That's considerably less horsepower than the Pan America, but almost as much torque as the Pan America. Despite having less power, the Speed Twin comes in at around 480 pounds wet, which is much lighter than the Pan America. I knew the race between these two motorcycles would be close, but I didn't think they would go from 0 to 60 in the same exact time. The Pan America makes 150 horses, but it weighs well over 500 pounds. Although this gives the Pan America a much higher power-to-weight ratio compared to the 96 horsepower of the Speed Twin, because the Speed Twin makes almost as much torque and weighs much less, the Speed Twin actually has a much higher torque-to-weight ratio. This results in the Pan America and the Speed Twin reaching 60 miles an hour in exactly the same time. Because of its 150 horsepower, after 60 miles an hour, the Pan America would definitely pull ahead, and I believe it has the higher top speed. I have personally taken my tuned Triumph Speed Twin up to about 140 miles an hour with no problem. However, there are reports that with a tune, the Pan America can reach 150 to 160 miles an hour. The conclusion here is that the Pan America is faster than the Speed Twin 1200, but the Speed Twin 1200 is just as quick, if not quicker, in most scenarios.